everybody, all my followers, welcome to another video. So if you follow my channel, you most likely have seen the video for this Scenic, an issue with the handbrake, electronic parking brake. That's been sorted. And at the start of the video I mentioned that another problem was the mileage on the car, because the screen has been changed. So that's the old screen. The old screen came already fitted on the car. This screen is reading 92,000 miles. Where is the key? Let me show you there. So this screen is reading 92,516, and we're going to change the mileage to the correct one, which I should have it in a minute through a text, hopefully. So we will be changing that to the correct mileage. In order to do this time, we are going to use Renolink. So I'm going to plug the cable, open the software, get everything ready, and then I'll show you how to do it. Okay, cable is connected, Renolink is already open. It's gonna turn the ignition on, so we press start for about 8 seconds or so, and it should turn on and stay on. Okay, didn't work this time. Let's take this off. Let's put it again. Now it's gonna turn on. There we go, and it will stay on. And now we are going to load. We're gonna do a scan, try to find the cluster. Okay, all protocols. Let's see if I find what's that called? What is that called? I don't use these every day, and sometimes I forgot the bloody abbreviations. Tachometer. I don't think it's the tachometer. I don't think it's that. Let me see if he finds it under there, but I don't think it's that. Miss Cunt. I don't think it's that. It's not that, otherwise you would have found it by now. Okay, let me get this, so there's no point to be here recording. Let me find the right module, and then... oh, there we go, didn't find nothing. Then I'll come back. Okay, and now I was doing an auto scan, but I've stopped because I just got the old dash, and I just remember that my dash is going to be here, look. Come on. TDB J84BG. So TDB is going to be my dash. So let me load the file for TDB. So there. Oh, come on. Let's gonna select TDB. Where is that now? TCU. TDB. There it is. Let's press scan. That's gonna find my dash, hopefully, and it should populate right there. There we go. TDB J84. Okay, so that's done. We're gonna do close, and now I'm gonna open my TDB and we establish communications. Okay, there we go, down there, all connected. And now let me see where that is, because I haven't done this for quite some time. And providing I'm not mistaken, this is in French, so I should come right here at the bottom where I have lecture is reading. So that's my mileage at the moment, is in kilometers, but that's fine. 148,866. So if you go there, that is écriture, is to write the new odometer value. So I want 71,000. So let me see how much is 71,000 in miles. About that, now how much is in miles is how many kilometers is in 71,000 miles, and that should be look, so 1,600 give or take, should be around this. So okay, I think, let me see if that changed. No, we didn't. Okay, why is now writing? Hold on a second. Okay guys, I do apologize. Obviously it depends on which, I remember last time I've done it over here, but it depends on which module exactly we are using. As you know, Scenics, it depends on the year. They have different clusters and stuff like that. So there is a different menu, which is you go to extra. I can't do it now, but you go to extra, there's a drop down, you select TDB, then you select your module, you do read kilometers. Now I want 113,600, let's write kilometers, and we'll wait. Oops. Okay, let's read again, see if that changed. That actually, let's gonna look. It's not changing it. Let me. Let me do this. That's interesting. And this is what happens when you don't read instructions. So, let me put ignition off. That's ignition off. Let's do this just to let it go off. With the driver's door open, hold on. Okay, just followed the procedure this time. So ignition off, write kilometers again, disconnect the neutral, leave it off for about 10 seconds, put it back on, and let me see what is in there. And look at that, 70,599. So it's a little bit less than 71,000 or whatever, but I think we'll be alright anyway. So that's it. That's how you do change the mileage on a Renault. It works very similar with the Renolink. Works similar to a lot of Renaults out there. Same way. And that's it. That's how we do it, guys. So a very short video, I believe. Still, I hope there's some information here you guys are gonna find it useful. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do have any questions, any comments, please put them below. And like always, thanks for watching.